Hey there, ever wondered how that golden sweet and sticky goodness we call honey is made? From busy bees to high-tech factory processes, honey production is a fascinating journey. In today's video, we'll take you behind the scenes to see how honey is processed in factories, step by step. And trust me, the final step is so satisfying you don't want to miss it. Let's dive in and uncover the sweet story behind honey production. Before we get to the factory, let's start at the very beginning. The bees. Bees collect nectar from flowers, which is the raw material for honey. The nectar is stored in their honey stomachs, where enzymes break it down into simpler sugars. Once back at the hive, bees transfer the nectar to worker bees, who deposit it into honeycomb cells. Through constant fanning with their wings, the bees reduce the moisture content, transforming nectar into honey. Now that's teamwork. Once the honey is ready, beekeepers step in. They carefully harvest the honeycombs, ensuring not to harm the bees. The honeycombs are then transported to the factory for processing. The honeycomb cells are sealed with wax, which helps preserve the honey. The first step in the factory is removing this waxy seal. In the factory, honeycombs go through an uncapping machine. This machine gently scrapes off the wax layer, exposing the honey inside. The wax isn't wasted. It's collected and used to make candles, lip balms, and other products. Look at that liquid gold. It's so satisfying to watch. Next, the uncapped honeycombs are placed in a centrifuge. This machine spins at high speeds, using centrifugal force to extract honey from the combs. It's a mesmerizing process as the honey flows out in golden streams. The honey is collected in large vats ready for the next stage of processing. To ensure the honey is pure and free from impurities, it goes through a filtration system. This step removes any bits of wax, pollen, or debris that may have come from the hive. The result, crystal clear honey that's ready to be processed further. Fun fact, filtration doesn't remove the natural enzymes or nutrients in honey, so you still get all the health benefits. Before bottling, most factory-produced honey undergoes pasteurization. This involves gently heating the honey to kill any yeast and extend its shelf life. After pasteurization, it's time for bottling. Automated machines fill jars with precise amounts of honey, ensuring every bottle is consistent. Labels are added and the jars are sealed tightly to keep the honey fresh. Watching these jars roll off the production line is so satisfying, don't you think? Every batch of honey goes through strict quality control checks. Workers inspect the jars to ensure they meet purity and packaging standards. Some factories even test the honey in labs to confirm its quality and authenticity. This step guarantees that only the finest honey makes it to your table. Once the honey jars pass quality control, they're packed into boxes and prepared for distribution. Whether it's heading to your local grocery store or being shipped across the globe, the journey from hive to home is now complete. From the buzzing bees to the bottling line, honey's journey is truly fascinating. Here are some sweet fun facts for you. Did you know it takes about 60,000 bees to produce just 1 pound of honey? Or that honey is one of the only foods that never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still edible. And that's how honey is made in factories. From the hard-working bees to cutting-edge machinery, every step of the process is a blend of nature and technology. Which part of the honey-making journey amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.